Hi, welcome to Eat, Pray, Love and Tarot. You are in a separation. Let's see if your person is thinking about you or has moved on. Remember, this is a collective reading, so take what resonates, leave the rest. A timeless reading, so whenever this shows up on your feed, this might resonate with you. And a genderless reading because energies don't have any gender. So let's shuffle. Okay. First card, second, third. Okay, 4 cards are here. I'll take 8 cards. One sec, that literally flew. The 4 of Cups literally flew, so of course they are remembering you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more. Okay. Got them. And the bottom of the deck is Moon, so definitely they are anxious, they are stressed, they are mind fucked. That's the overall energy, bottom of the deck. So we have got Page of Cups, Knave of Cups upright. Then we have Queen of Cups on the flip side. Then we have 7 of Cups. Then we have 6 of Pentacles. Then we have 6 of Cups. So many cup energies. So emotions all over. 10 of Wands on the flip side. 4 of Swords upright. And the card that flew, 4 of Cups upright. So let's start with the reading. With the Page of Cups upright, your person is still very immature when it comes to handle relationships, handle emotions, process emotions. He or she, whatever, fix it accordingly. So he might be biologically quite old, doesn't matter, but emotionally he is a page. So it's a page energy, while you are the Queen of Cups on the reverse, of course. Now you have turned your back to them. So yes, they are this Page of Cups. They don't want exactly what to do. They are very cautious about their emotional they want to pour, they are passionate, they feel for you, they are emotional for you, they want to come forward to you and offer you their cup of love. But they also know that what they have to offer will be very insignificant for them. It won't be a very solid commitment that they can offer you. See, the page is standing in the water. Of course, emotional बहुत है, but it's a shallow water. So very cautious. कितना जाना है, कितना देना है, कितना नहीं देना है, कितना इमोशनली ओपन अप करना है, कितना नहीं करना है. Everything is very calculative. Pages are very चालाक energy, very back and forth energy. Can't be, भरोसा नहीं कर सकते हो ज़्यादा, because at one time they are thinking this and the other time, that's why I said it's emotionally very immature person. So yes, they are still very emotionally immature. They are not being able to process their emotions, yet not being able to process their emotions for you. They are seeing you that you were their Queen of Cups, offering them all the love, care. I think you were the only one to whom they could open up like no one else. They could share anything with and everything. They could discuss anything and everything under the sun, moon and the stars, and you will understand. You would understand. You were always there to support them. You were always there for them. You always put them before you. You put them on a high pedestal. आप pedestal पे थे, but you came down and offered your pedestal to them. You placed a page to your pedestal, the Queen of Cups. आप अपने थ्रोन में इस एक पेज को बिठाए. तो whatever, I mean, you can be a king, but I'm talking about energy, the Queen of Cups energy. So अगर आप क्वीन हो के अपने थ्रोन पे एक अनवर्दी पेज को बिठाओगे, so somewhere you are also responsible for what shit show has happened. I'm not judging, but just telling you. So now that you have turned your back to them, they are now somewhere fearful. They are now feeling a little scared of you, or they are feeling that they have lost their Queen of Cups. So they are at a loss. They are not being able to decide कि क्या करे. It's all gone. The love is no longer there. My only support system, the only one who will take all my bullshit and turn them into some omelette. Just saying. So is gone. Turned their back. No longer emotionally available for them. So now they are confused because, see, they are seeing you as someone who is glowing. I think you have taken back your power. You have called back all your energy. Your person can no longer feel your energy because all the energy has been called back. You have reclaimed your energy. You have reclaimed your power. You are working on yourself. You are literally glowing, and they can see you glowing. So they can literally see you glowing, and now they are totally confused. Okay, what the fuck happened? This person used to come to me crying, begging के वापस चलो, मुझे वापस ले लो, सब कुछ भूल के नए तरह से शुरुआत करते हैं. You were the one who always went after them, and that gave them validation. That made, that was an ego booster for them. कि हाँ, I am such a special person. A queen is begging in front of a page. So, but you are not doing that now. I think. So they are now confused कि अभी आप हो या फिर आप move on कर चुके हो. I don't feel you have moved on. Otherwise you won't have been sitting here watching a tarot reader doing a tarot reading for your situation. So आप move on नहीं कर चुके हो. You are just done with their shit. You no longer want to chase them. You are just too tired running after them. You are like, ठीक है भाई, तू देख ले, तू अपना कचरा साफ करके आ सकता है तो आ, नहीं तो I am good. I am self-sufficient. I am complete in myself. So, but they are confused. They are confused. What the fuck is happening? I think बहुत दिन हो चुका है आप separated. आप लोग separated हो. Maybe over an year. Over 7 months तो for sure. Over 7 months तो for sure. So now they are totally confused कि हो क्या रहा है भी या gone. So they are realizing that they were always the Six of Pentacles reversed in the relationship. They are realizing this shit. They are realizing that there was no equal give and take in the relationship. They were only taking all kinds of advantages from you: physical, emotional, professional, financial, social, spiritual also. You know, spiritual energy is very powerful. If you are a spiritual person, which you are, because the Queen of Cups is a spiritual energy. So if you are a spiritual person, so you protect all those who are around you, protect all whom you love. You protect them even from their bad karma. Your love is like a shield. All the sadhana, your aura is so strong. It's like a kavach for your loved ones. But once that kavach is removed, again they are vulnerable to their karma, all the shit show, all the toxicities, all the negativities they were previously in before they came to your life. So now they are realizing it, that all the benefits they were taken, they can no longer take that benefits from you anymore. So yes, they are also realizing कि जो किया है शायद वो of course ठीक नहीं है, but given this person's mentality, they are now realizing that अभी आप वो ओनली गिवर एनर्जी में नहीं रहोगे। अब आप तो अब अगर ये आगे आता है, अगर ये पेज आगे आता है तो इक्वल गिव एंड टेक अगर ऑफर करता है तो ही आप मानोगे, वरना नहीं मानोगे। सो या एंड ऑफ कोर्स they are also remembering all the happy memories with you, all the good memories of you with the Six of Cups. It can be a past life connection, a divine connection. It can be a long distance relationship or a childhood relationship कि बचपन से आप लोग दोस्त हो या फिर एक ही मोहल्ले में रहते थे हो बहुत सालों से, या फिर आप दोनों के बीच एक सिग्निफिकेंट बायोलॉजिकल एज गैप है, हो सकता है। But this person is definitely recollecting and remembering all those happy memories with you, going over and over with them. And he is feeling burdened. He wants to come forward, but with the 10 of Wands reversed, ये सारा बोझ अपने दिल पर ही लेके बैठा रहना चाहता है। He is not yet ready to open up. दिल में बहुत कुछ भरा पड़ा है, बहुत कुछ कहना है। इनफैक्ट इट्स लाइक अ लेटेंट वोल्केनो, अभी फटने ही वाला है। बोल देगा तो ये बोझ अगर शेयर कर लेगा तो उसके लिए आसान हो जाएगा, बट नहीं, ये इसको शहीद बनना है। ये स्टैचू, ये उसका ऑल्टर ईगो है, उसको सारा सैक्रिफाइस और उसको सारा बोझ अकेले उठा के उसको मर्टर बनना है, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल। दैट इज ओनली हिज इल्यूशन। अगेन 7 of Cups energy. He's feeling burdened. He's feeling pathetic about it. Too much shit going on inside in his life, inside his brain, and everywhere. Of course, lots of toxicities. But this person is not ready to share his burden with you or with anyone. नहीं, ego, stubborn. 4 of Swords. Obviously, he is thinking of a new start with you. He is thinking how he is introspecting. He is in a resting mood. अभी वो कुछ नहीं करना चाहता है। See, this swords are downwards. अभी इसको कुछ नहीं करना है। बहुत सारा मेमोरीज है, आपको याद कर रहा है, आपको लेके डर रहा है, आपको लेके इल्यूशंस क्रिएट कर रहा है, कंफ्यूज्ड है, दिल में बहुत कुछ भरा पड़ा है, बट आगे नहीं आएगा। अभी भी ये सोच रहा है, अभी इसको सोचना है, प्लान करना है, अभी इसको रेस्ट लेना है। गॉड नोज, यू माइट बी डीलिंग विथ योर पार्टनर, माइट बी बायोलॉजिकली क्वाइट एल्डर टू यू। आप दोनों में सिग्निफिकेंट एज गैप है। सी द किंग, इट्स अ ओल्ड किंग। सो आप दोनों में से कोई एक, आई थिंक योर पार्टनर, सिंस दिस इज योर पार्टनर्स एनर्जी, योर पार्टनर इज क्वाइट एल्डर टू यू बायोलॉजिकली। And of course, again, 6 of Cups is a card of remembering all the fond memories and all. 4 of Cups. Again, intense, very heavy missing energies. अभी उसको पता चल रहा है कि क्या खो दिया है, क्या छूट गया है। Daydreaming about you, always, you know, it's not that he's consciously thinking about you, but you are always there in the back of his mind. कुछ भी करे, कुछ भी सोचे, कुछ भी कहे, वो ही आप उसको आपकी याद दिला रहा है। At the back of mind, you are playing in his head in a loop. And no matter how much they have in life now, no matter whatever they have right now, but still they are in that missing energy. जे कुछ तो खो गया है, अभी वही वापस चाहिए, नहीं तो नहीं चाहिए। So definitely they have not moved on. They are thinking about you. In fact, thinking will be and of course, like I said, the bottom of the deck is the overall energy is the moon. So lots of illusions. He is still under lots of illusions, lots of बहुत सारी चीज, टोटली माइंड फक, उसके दिमाग में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है। ऑफ कोर्स उसके चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा, अनहील्ड ट्रॉमास, उसके लाइफ में अभी तक का जो बिट्रेयल्स, जो भी उसने फेस किया है, उसका जो अनहील्ड ट्रॉमास है, अनहील्ड वुंड्स है, they are also spinning a kind of illusion in his brain. Of course, with you glowing, they are again adding to that illusion, adding to that confusion कि ये भी चली गई या फिर ये भी चला गया. So देखा, इसका मतलब ये मुझे प्यार नहीं करता है, न करता था या करती थी, just a show off. But actually this stupid people fail to realize that the basic of a relationship is communication and commitment. अगर बेसिक्स के लिए आपको स्ट्रगल करना पड़े, बेसिक कम्युनिकेशन, रिजॉल्विंग क्राइसिस, नहीं, if you want the transparency in a relationship, transparency is the most important factor in a relationship. And transparency, हम में से कोई भी अंतर्यामी नहीं है, so we have to talk. We have given, blah 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 blah, talk. क्राइसिस के टाइम अगर पीठ दिखा के भाग जाओगे, doesn't matter if you are an avoidant, doesn't matter if you have unhealed childhood traumas, doesn't matter. आप बड़े हो, आप अभी एडल्ट हो, you can identify your childhood trauma, इतना अकल तो है आप में, work on them. When we don't heal our childhood trauma, it reflects in our relationship, in our choice of partners, in the way we look at relationship, in the way we deal with a relationship. They trigger our childhood trauma for a reason. ऐसा नहीं कि ट्रिगर हुआ और बस भाग गए. It triggers us so that we can identify the red flags in us and work on them, heal them with the help of our partner together. See, a relationship is a together thing. It's togetherness, it's companionship. So बार बार अगर आप भागोगे, अगर आप नहीं बोलोगे, अगर आप whatever, अगर आप हर बार एक shit show क्रिएट करोगे, so nobody is going to take your stick for a long time. My viewer is not running away from you. They are very much there for you, but they are no longer waiting for you. Of course, a part of their mind is still longing for you, craving for you. That is why they are watching this tarot reading. But the fact is, now they are okay. Now they know that your fucking problem is your fucking problem. They are not my viewers' fucking problem. So yeah, this was your reading for today. अब ये रीडिंग देख के हाय मेरा बाबू सोना मुझे इतना याद कर रहा है, एक मैसेज कर देती हूँ. डोंट डू दैट. डोंट लेट देम हील. ये जो रेस्टिंग पीरियड में है, 4 of Swords एनर्जी में अभी जो आपके बाबू सोना है, उसको रहने दो, उसको इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करने दो. लेट हिम और हर इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, लेट हिम गो थ्रू इट, लेट हिम रिट्रीट, लेट हिम विड्रॉ हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ and think, identify and heal. ये healing period बहुत important है आप दोनों के लिए. उसके बाद after the healing, if they are meant to come back in your life, they will. Otherwise, you carry on with your life. See, don't be a Ramu Kaka in anyone's life. You are the main character in your story. So remain in your part, remain in your energy. Till the next video, bye.